In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell art on TikTok Shop. If you're ready to turn your creativity into income, this walkthrough will guide you from opening your shop to getting your first artwork listing ready for customers. First, open your TikTok Shop account. If you already have one, sign into the Seller Center or the Seller tools in the app. If you're new, follow the prompts to set up your shop profile. Make sure your business information is accurate and consistent, because it helps with verification and builds buyer trust. Once you're in the seller dashboard, look for the product area. This is where you'll manage everything you sell. Click Product to open your product management page. You'll see options to view existing listings and to create a new one. Next, click Add Product. This opens the product creation form where you'll enter all the details about your artwork. Think of this page as your digital storefront. The more clear and complete you are, the better your listing will perform. Start by entering your product name. Keep it descriptive and searchable. Include the type of art and key attributes like original acrylic painting, sunset over city, 1620. Then, on category, select the specific category for your art. Choose the most accurate and granular category available: originals, prints, digital downloads, sculptures, so shoppers can find you easily and so your listing meets platform guidelines. Now, enter the description and provide the necessary details for your product. Explain the medium, size, materials, and whether it's an original or a print. Mention framing, mounting, or display recommendations. If it's a print, note paper type and print method. If it's a limited edition, include the edition size and numbering. Add care instructions and any processing time, especially if you need time to package or create made-to-order pieces. You'll also see fields for price, stock, and variations. Use these for different sizes or formats. Upload clear, well-lit photos from multiple angles, plus a clean cover image that shows the art without distractions. If video is available, a short clip showing texture or scale can help buyers connect with the piece. Once everything looks accurate and complete, click Submit for preview. This sends your listing for platform checks and lets you review how it will appear to shoppers. If anything needs tweaking, you can go back and refine your title, category, or description before it goes live. After approval, your art will be ready to discover on TikTok Shop and you'll be set to start selling.